We faced the worst of obstacles and came out of every challenge. We stood by and watched our enemies gain power while we did nothing. We stood by and let innocents be bullied and harassed for no reason at all. We've seen the terrible consequences of our complacency and how much that has impacted the world around us. We've seen what happens when our enemies abuse freedom and twist it to fit their own agendas. But that is about to change, my friends, for they've never fought us together, not us united, not us as one. The time to fight is now.